soft and fluffy. I got an idea. Hi guys,
Hello everyone!
we are making soft cloud dough. Make cloud dough!
That's right guys, we are making some cloud dough. Nori, would you like to tell people what we need?
Yes, you only need 2 ingredients.
That's right guys, you only need 2 ingredients for this.
We need conditioner, cornstarch, and some colors. You can decorate it.
That's right, you can have some colors if you
Or
want it to be
glitter.
colorful, or glitter if you want to add that too. That's right. So
1 cup of cornstarch. I already have it in my bowl. 1 cup of conditioner. Now let's mix. You have to mix it carefully. Wow, it's gonna feel like soft looking Play-Doh.
that's right.
This looks like food. Notice it looks like food, like baby's food. Yeah. Make sure you ask an adult to help. I asked my mommy to help me. And your dough should be like this. So nice.
Oh, it is pretty. Look at that. All right, you want to take it out the bowl, put it on the table.
Okay.
Nice. Alrighty, so we got it out the bowl and on the table. It is very, very soft. Look at that.
It almost should break my hand.
You want to put your hands in it? Let's see. Uh-oh, it's getting all on the table. It's okay. Go ahead. Nice. Look at that.
You can.
It's so soft, huh?
Yes.
You want to put some color on there?
Yes.
All right, guys. So what we noticed while doing this, if you put the food coloring in the conditioner and mix it up before you add the cornstarch, it came out a little, I don't know, it just didn't come out right for us. So what I did was we added the we added,
This look like toothpaste.
it does look like toothpaste. We added our color to the dough after we're done with it. So she's gonna finish kneading in this blue one. I'm gonna add some color to this one, and as you guys know, Nori likes what color?
Purple and pink.
So we're gonna do
Glitter.
a red for this one. We'll do 1 little drop and see if that'll be light enough, and we kind of just fold it in like that. The table's getting messy. So Nori, I'm gonna have you work on this one while I come over here and try to blend up a purple concoction for you. Alright, so go ahead and work on the pink. I'm gonna work on, ooh. Alright guys.
This is what it turned out correctly.
Yes, we've added our colors, and you got your
What's
blue, you got
this?
your pink, you got your purple. I got stuff all over my hands, and it does take a little bit of kneading, so make sure you have an adult or ask an adult for help. Nori, do you like your cloud dough?
Yes! If it's soft like these colors.
It is very soft. I like how you can just rub your fingers in it
You
like
can do
that.
like this. Oh my god.
That's right. And make sure you have a mat or something to play on, so you don't get too
It looks
messy.
like Play-Doh, but super soft.
Yeah. Very easy to make it.
Yeah, we are going upstairs with the colors and put them in the bag.
So playful. Yes, that's right. You can store them in a bag to play with for
Purple.
later.
Let's
I
start.
know my
with
hands
the
look crazy, but it's very, very,
pink.
very fun.
I hope you guys enjoyed my cloud dough video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Now, click that thumbs up and subscribe. Press it. Bye. 2 cups of cornstarch.
Let me see your face.